In this video, I want to share with you how to factory reset your Epson EcoTank ET-2980. So let's get started right over here. The first step is to press the home button. So we are all on the home page. Then you're going to press the right side arrow a few times until you get settings. Here we go, settings. Press OK. Now go down. And you're going to get restore default settings. Press OK. And you will have multiple choices. If you simply want to reset the network, the Wi-Fi network, because this is your issue, you can select the first option, network settings, and the rest of the printer data will stay intact. It will not be a full factory reset. You can also reset other features of this device. So you can reset the copy machine, the scanner, or the last option, it's a full factory reset. Clear all data and settings. Press OK, and you'll have to confirm by pressing once more on the OK button. It will take a few seconds, the printer will shut down, will power on by itself, and at the end, everything should be fixed, and you'll have to set up your printer from the beginning since all the data will be wiped out. It will be like a brand new printer. If you find my video useful, take a moment and comment down below, like, subscribe, and check my Amazon links to get ink, to get paper, or even a brand new printer. Every time you go through my links, I get a small commission, and it's a great way to support my channel. Thanks.